they'd have all the peanut butter things. So I'd scoop up a bunch of the peanut butter things. I'd be driving around, just pop those all the time. In the car, I just keep a tub of it and a spoon in my glove box. So I'm just going around and I pop it in, and people think I'm just crazy. Right. So I'm like, no, dude. So, hello, I'm Scott. I'm a project manager with the Basement Doctor. I've been with the company for going on 3 years. Really looking forward to coming out and seeing what kind of problems we can solve for you. I live in Heath. I've been here for over 20 years. I have 4 kids. When I'm not working, I love to listen to music. I have a huge record collection and vintage speaker collection. There was a customer that when I got there, I was actually training another project manager. Another company had come out and said that they were going to encapsulate his entire crawl space for $8,000. And full ranch home, nowhere in the world that could be done. Kind of talked to him before we went down there, found out that he had a double lung transplant, could not get down there, and other issues. And when I got down there, there's 2 inches of water in the basement, or in the crawl space. And he had no idea. I FaceTimed him while I was down there live. He had no clue that was down there. And basically he would have taken his money and thrown it away, because you can't just put plastic down on top of that. So I feel good about that, because one, he had a condition that obviously was, an issue for him. But 2 is I saved him money. I like working for the Basement Doctor mostly because of the culture, the atmosphere. Ron really treats his employees really well. Not a lot of companies do some of the things that he does for us. And everybody seems to be more of a family atmosphere than anything.